Welcome everybody, it's PT and Co here with BD. We're here to talk to you guys today about our newest product, which is the 2023 6.7 liter Power Stroke High Idle Kit. Perfect time of year for that. Things are starting to get cold. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing we're going to talk about today is why we developed this product in the first place. So this is, as a lot of you guys know, we've already got a version of BD's already got a version of this for the 2017 to 2022 Fords. So there's new Fords coming out, Chris. We need another one. So this new product is going to feature the new connector module that's found on those 2023 Super Duties. The other thing that we like to do when we launch new products is look at the vehicles and operation data. That's the VIO data. So we know that there are 80 to 100,000 of these vehicles on the road today, all of which could benefit from this product. Other than a new connector and a new model year, basically this is a very similar product for our earlier years, just updating it for the 2023 Super Duty. I'll turn it over to Chris for a little bit more details on the product.
Yeah, so with the 2023, the features and benefits of it, it is a plug-and-play high idle kit. So it plugs into the factory connector and you just mount the switch on the dash somewhere where you can adjust the RPMs up and down. Very quick installation with minimal tools needed. It's adjustable. The RPM is adjustable anywhere from 900 to 3,000 RPM, depending on how high you want to go with the idle. Great use for remote starts. I guess for cold weather, basically. You start the thing up in the cold weather. You want to idle up a little bit to heat up a little bit quicker. PTOs, so tow trucks, anything like rollbacks, stuff like that, where you need to run a PTO off your engine or your transmission. And then extended idling conditions, even in summertime. Like if you want to get your AC to work a little bit better and you're sitting still, you can idle it up a little bit better and get your compressor going a little bit more and get some better air conditioning out of it. So,
So it sounds pretty easy to install. Hey?
It's very easy
Even
to
I
install.
could do it, Chris?
Yeah.
Could even I do it?
Yeah, you could even do it, Paul. It's going to take you longer, Paul, to figure out where you want to mount your switch than it does to actually install it all. So it's pretty quick and easy. And with the factory connector, it makes it nice and easy. So.
Excellent, excellent. Let's talk a little bit about the product specs. So as we mentioned, this is a high idle control. That's for the Ford 6.7 liter Power Stroke F-Series. Oh, that's a mouthful. Gotta take a breath. So that includes our Super Duty 250, F350, F450, F550, all the way up to the 600. This is for that 5th generation Ford Power Stroke. And this is one of the things that you could pair with this if you're in Canada or work in the oil patch is our electronic positive air shutoff. That's a complimentary product. You'll see the part number on the screen there. For those of you in California, this is a EMS code number 4. So it does not require a carb number.
No, it's not messing with emissions at all.
Excellent. And then as Chris mentioned, this is really, really super easy to install. Should take you 30 minutes or less. No serious tools required for that. Nice and easy for you.
Target consumer. So again, this is a person that's going to be living in cold conditions. You know, your northern part of the country, dealing with a lot of cold temperatures and want to warm the vehicle up. And like I mentioned, the PTO guys running the tow trucks and stuff like that, where they're running a PTO or where they got to idle, rev the truck up a little bit to operate those hydraulics and stuff like that. So again, oil field workers, they do a lot of idling, so they want to idle them up a little bit, especially in the cold temperatures. And yeah, like I mentioned, utility trucks and stuff like that.
Awesome. So great time of year for this product. If you guys are seeing people out there coming in with their 2023 Ford F Super Duty and they don't have this, perfect time of year for them to get one in. Cheap, easy to install, and tons of value for the consumer.